So we have a fish from the disaster. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I lost and why I lost and what happened, so you guys can prevent it from it happening to you guys. Kind of sucks, but it happened. So let's get started. So in this tank, nothing happened. Nothing's changed. In this tank, nothing has changed. In this tank, nothing has changed as well. Let's see if we can count all 4 guppies. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, nothing has changed as well. A little bit of that fat pleco. We're not feeding this tank for a little bit, but in here I lost about 6 of the CPDs that I had in here. What's it called? That sucked. And in here we didn't lose any. In here as well we didn't lose any. Right? Just double check. Okay, yeah, I couldn't find the betta for a second. That is fine. This pleco is fine. Where's the female? She's over there. She's fine. Over here, we lost apparently some shrimp. Just noticed it right now. Kind of see it off the reflection. That's dead shrimp. In here, we're still doing fine. No DOAs for the cichlids, which is shocking to be honest, but take it. You know. In here, no deaths either. No breeding either, but I explained why it's not. They haven't been breeding. And in here, no deaths, at least none that I can see. Gotta check, but. And in here, I lost like 3 babies. And then in here, I lost one of my discus, the breeding male. So now I lost basically my breeding pair. I'm gonna bring this female back upstairs, but yeah. What happened exactly was I wasn't checking the pH levels. I did a water change about a week ago, and I just realized that today that the pH has shifted about two numbers. It went down from 8 to it went down from 7 to like 5 point something. But yeah, and that was apparently too stressful for the discus, too stressful for the babies, and too stressful for the CPDs. But other than that, everything else is fine. Pneumonia, all that is fine. It's just the pH spike must have been a spike or something, because it really must have stressed them out. So we did a quick water change. I'm gonna add a new system for water changes so I can make sure I'm on top of it. But I'm gonna add crushed coral as well inside here, which I already did, but apparently wasn't enough. So I'm gonna add some more. So now that I have gone over my aquariums and stuff like that, I basically wanted to remind you guys, don't forget to check your pH, check your levels at least once a week. What's it called? Don't forget to do your water changes again once a week. Always helps, because if there's some sort of fluctuation or things like that, a water change will definitely help stabilize it back to the original numbers. Now what I'm going to be doing is, of course, adding more crushed coral, and as well as doing more frequent water changes. So basically every 2 weeks, 3 water changes total. So you can split it up however you want, but yeah, so basically every 5 days more or less I'm doing a water change. So yeah, that's basically how I'm going to be fixing the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.